How to use Yupoo on CNFans to find and buy products easily. Watch the video till the end so you don't miss any important step. Let's get started. Find your product on Yupoo, head over to Yupoo and browse for the item you want. Keep in mind Yupoo is more like a catalog, you can't buy directly from it. Copy the product link. Once you find the product you want, copy the link from the address bar. You will need this in this next step. Let's get started. Go to CNFans and paste the link. Open CNFans, find the search bar and paste the Yupoo product link or manually enter the product name. Then click search. After searching, CNFans may ask you to enter details like product name, specification, size, color, and quantity. Make sure to copy and paste the exact product name, specification, size, color, and quantity. Make sure to copy and paste the exact product name from Yupoo. Upload product images. Since Yupoo doesn't sell directly, uploading images help ensure you order the exact item. Save the images from Yupoo and upload them on CNFans. Enter pricing and fee. Input the product price and any applicable fee. If unsure, double check with the seller to avoid mistakes. Click buy now or add to cart and follow the checkout process. Once confirmed, CNFans will handle the rest. And that's it. Now you know how to use Yupoo on CNFans.